Let me tell you something about the lion. The lion is not the fastest in the jungle. That's the panther. The lion is not the tallest. That's the giraffe. The lion is not the biggest. That's the elephant. And the lion is not even the smartest. But still, the lion is the king of the jungle. Why? Because of one thing: mentality. When the lion walks, every animal watches. When the lion roars, the entire jungle goes silent. When the lion hunts, the ground shakes with his presence, not because of his size, not because of his strength, but because of his belief. The lion believes he was born to lead. The lion believes he is unstoppable. The lion believes the jungle belongs to him. And guess what? The world responds to that belief. When a lion sees an elephant, the lion says, "That's my food." But when the elephant sees a lion, the elephant, the biggest animal in the jungle, says, "That's danger." Same jungle, same animals, different mindset. That's the power of lion mentality. It's not about what you have, it's about what you believe. In life, you don't need to be the strongest. You don't need to be the richest. You don't need to be the smartest, but you need the courage to believe you are a king. You need the fire to chase your dreams like they are your prey. You need the roar that tells the world, "I'm here, and I will not back down." The lion doesn't wait for permission to be a leader. He doesn't ask the hyenas for approval. He doesn't wait for the jungle to clap for him. He walks with authority because he knows who he is. And that's what you need. Stop asking the world to validate you. Stop waiting for people to tell you you're ready. The lion doesn't need permission to roar, and neither do you. You have a lion inside you, but it's sleeping. It's waiting. It's waiting for you to stop acting like a sheep and start living like a king. Wake it up. Feed it with discipline. Feed it with courage. Feed it with the fire to go after what you want. Because once that lion wakes up, once you start living with lion mentality, nothing, and I mean nothing, in this world can stop you. So remember, you are not average. You are not weak. You are not ordinary. You are a lion. And lions don't follow. They lead. They conquer. They rule. Now stand up, raise your head, and let the world hear your roar.